Welcome to Kustom Signals Incorporated, your trusted partner in law enforcement. This presentation is intended to provide a brief history of our company. It's the mid-1950s, rock and roll is taking hold, concerts are growing in popularity, and musicians and performers crave an affordable, well-made, and great-sounding system for their gigs. From humble beginnings, we became rock stars, building cutting-edge systems using transistorized electronics, which were a revolution at the time. Custom amps and speaker cabs were incredibly well constructed with big, clean sound, and, thanks to word of mouth, they were soon in high demand. Artists using custom products included some of the best, and were the preferred choice of musicians across all genres, such as B.B. King, Johnny Cash, the Jackson 5, and John Fogerty, just to name a few. In the mid-1960s, production was moved to a dedicated manufacturing facility in Chanute, Kansas, where we still manufacture our law enforcement products today. Our knowledge of electronics allowed us to diversify into the manufacturing of radar and mobile data terminals, and our foray into designing and manufacturing public safety equipment was born. In 1969, we had begun work on the first custom radar, and by 1970 we were shipping the TR-6, the first radar with a digital readout. By 1972, Kustom had become the dominant radar manufacturer in the world. Kustom has continued to build its legacy with a long list of innovative accomplishments and industry firsts. In 1975, Kustom introduced the first handheld K-band radar and the first two-window microprocessor-based radar. In 1978, it was the first moving K-band handheld radar. In 1985, it was the first all-direction radar with stopwatch mode. In 1990, it was the first LiDAR with a heads-up display, continuous tracking history, and settable range. By the late 1980s, Kustom was offering officers the added security of in-car video surveillance options. We led the industry by providing the first in-car video system with auto zoom and wireless microphone record activation in 1992. In 1998, Kustom introduced the first digital signal processing-based radar with TrueTrack speedometer input. In 2008, it was the first two-piece radar with graphical display and target tracking bar, also known as DuraTrack. Kustom Signals has a long history of putting customer service above all else, and we know that your safety, the safety of your community, and the success of your safety enforcement program are dependent on reliable, effective, and superior technology. With nearly 50 years of supporting law enforcement agencies worldwide, our products have evolved to become the most advanced, accurate, and trusted in the industry. Our products meet all federal performance guidelines, and any equipment issue is resolved by a team of engineers, corrective actions professionals, and technical support specialists. We are the no-risk solution provider and your trusted partner in law enforcement. In short, we have quality people rocking quality products. Kustom Signals is a wholly owned subsidiary of Public Safety Equipment, an international network of companies offering safety products aiming to provide law enforcement with the tools that continue to make them the rock stars within our communities.